So Dad wants me to put this thing out, straight out, so you can measure some things. See if I remember how to run it. Oh, I'm so glad there's a key in here. Uh-oh. There we go. It's a little breezy. Okay. Maybe I gotta put my seatbelt on or something. Oh, it's got a master switch. Okay, now it's gonna work because I turned on the master switch. What a nice machine. Okay. Alright, gotta lift this thing up. So, I think I lift it here. Oh, I gotta push this thing down. Excuse people. Here we go. Oh, it died. I gotta do higher RPMs, I guess. Except for it says it's on rabbit. What in the heck, Larry? Weird. Come on. Okay, I figured out how to put it out straight finally.